The world is changing. Millions of adults are already learning how to use artificial intelligence to become better doctors, scientists, engineers, teachers, and professionals. But one important question remains. Who will teach our children how to learn with AI? Who will help every child build an AI mentor that truly understands the way they learn? Welcome to the Living Learning, a new generation of education designed for the AI era. First, students learn how to use AI.
How does a plant cell process energy?
Not to let AI think for them, but to learn how to ask better questions, think critically, verify information. Second, students learn biology through immersive three-dimensional experiences, from cells to DNA, from the human body to the mysteries of life. Third, every student gradually trains a personal AI mentor, an AI that understands, an AI companion that continues learning and growing together with them. Every student gradually trains. The future of education is no longer one teacher teaching many students. The future belongs to personalized together with them. Every student gradually trains. The future of education is no longer one teacher teaching many students. The future belongs to personalized together with them.